The pth term of a geometric series is 16. The p plus 1th term of this series is 24. Find the p plus 4th term of the series. The sum of the first three terms of another geometric series is 22.8. The sum to infinity of the series is 18.75. Find the common ratio and the first term of this geometric series. So here is the question then in summary form. The pth term is 16, the next term along is 24. So here R, this is part A, the common ratio. What did you times 16 by to get 24? You times it by 3 over 2, or 1.5. So that's our common ratio to get to 16 to the next term. You times it by 3 over 2. So there's R. So the p plus 4th term is equal to the p plus 1th term. Well, you can do the p plus 1th term is 24. Times 3 over 2 would give you the p plus 2nd term. Then another 3 over 2 p plus, that would be the p plus 3rd term. And then the p plus 4th term would be times another r again. So 2, 4, 8. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So it's 9 9s are 81. So the p plus 4th term is 81. Part B. The sum of the first three terms is that. S infinity is that. Find A and R. S3, well that would be A plus AR plus AR squared, wouldn't it? That's 22.8. Okay, so that's that. And then we've got A over 1 minus R is equal to 18.75. That's the sum to infinity. So here's our raw information then. Okay, so we could replace A by this here in this. Probably the best thing to do. So that tells us that A is equal to 18.75 lots of 1 minus R. So if we put this in then, 18.75 times 1 minus R plus 18 point... Ooh. No, let's not do that. I'm not going to do that because it looks hard work and a long line. The A is 18.75. I'm going to move that underneath here to be with a 22.8. So I'm just going to have 1 minus R here times, that's A, plus A, 1 minus R times R, plus A, 1 minus R times R squared equals 22.8. And this 18.75 was common all the way on the top, so I moved it underneath. So what have we got here then? We've got 1 minus R, we've actually got 1 plus R, 1 minus R from this, because this is one lot there, one lot of 1 minus R, and this is R lots of 1 minus R, plus 1 minus R times R squared. So we end up with then is equal to this number. So the 1 minus R is common. And then we've also got 1 plus R squared is equal to this number. Okay. Well, that's not very much helpful, is it? So let's just expand this bracket then and see what we get. So we get 1 plus R squared for the first term, minus R squared minus R cubed, that's better, 22.8 over 18.75, because we weren't very much along from where we started here, really, back to square one almost. So this is what we needed to do. These cancel, and we get R cubed, so R cubed then is equal to, so I'm moving this over there, leaving the 1 as is, writing it down from right to left. So our cube then, so it's 1 minus 22.8 divided by 18.75 minus 27 over 125, which is nice because it cube roots easily. Cube root that then, r is equal to minus 3, cube root at the top, over 5. So there's r. So that looks fairly user friendly. So if r is equal to that, then a will equal to this. A is equal to 18.75 times 1 minus r, which is 18.75. 1 minus 3/5 is 1 plus 3/5, which is 8/5, which is 1.6. So let's just tap that in then. 18.75 times the 1.6 here, 30. So a is 30 and r is minus 3/5. And that's what we needed to find.